3 players and 4 players and omu enya ema camp. 4 players and omu nya ma camp. Yebetimi e de atudwa me be catch say direct talks, direct conversation akoso between Kotoko, one more director of football, one Morfin Donzo, and wakacha Morfin se omra. Enra, and a Morfin Donzo, assign ebedru Ghana. Morfin a foreign player. Asante Kotoko season ya ekwemi ba na wie no. Not the only foreign player or that's your contracted to Kotoko. Donzo Morfin. Morfin a striker. Na ultimi operate on the wings. Oba no and shada anko ye bebisa ewo ne first season no. But the tiene say abranche no aba back. Inti we a picture of Donzo Morfin. Donzo Morfin. I don't know, assign about back. 4 players who have not yet reported to camp. Donzo will give explanation as to why Afe no Oba. Makase Kotoko foreign contingent, you know. And you want to ticket at the back. Eti Donzo de anje ya. None of anko chile bebrebe. Because oye a player osia kain at the Kotoko. Season abawie oko meeting bi o mo fra say players no meshia Donzo no o emeshia Menzo no obia no otwa ticket adema Donzo so mra bi tia no obetimi e de defend no. Then Kotoko resume anasa Kotoko started preseason no na wotwini o mo hyase enano Monday eti na wotwini adanti na branch no ema bi eno so e ba ko a minim se de obesi e defend no but second quiet tickets no ma dia it on no dia a different level. Other 3 players Emmanuel Entry enra ima akotwa new hairstyle bi nya agrokra when you rasta ni nyina agu fam ya Emmanuel Entry ni ena wotwa twa down pa minim so mo kan yo mo kakra o hwa mi so mo de okay, okay, you muna ya na za amana die. Waka die kakra e woni tiri no ho. Etiwe aye Emmanuel Entry Asante Kotoko player. Entry has still not reported to camp. Kotoko's administrative manager, on the orders of the director of football, as I was communicated to a branch and said, China. The last day I said Oba. EBP no me chirem di entia. Team no first meeting with Stanley Menzo wa maybe. Na team na started preseason na so o my no. Oba abe chirem. Makasa we player of Kotoko no adwo say u prove stubborn kakra e be twa contract ma. Sadia 10 of the pass under the new director of football. Sadia na twam. You play stubborn kakra Kotoko no am de mbubefu metwam pa cha obeye saade na ya betena fia tenawa obi antwa contract ni mu enti wonum enhwe ni yie pa e ho omo hwe ni yie e ho no eye ba kwa betimi e de atudwa e de ama. Now to the players na ball the intertribal games no e wo Kumasi no de minim pa ne se Asante Kotoko nhyehyɛ mu no. O a player of the club untumi more area games, area gala no. Emre bi Kotoko players miensa. In fact, o cheki season na Kotoko ekofa David Duncan no. Season na Kotoko kofa David Duncan no. Kabiru. Duncan building the team ni nyina around Abrante de Akwesimoto. A week to the start of the season. And Akwesimoto kobo ball ewo Macro Park so ena ne namubu pay. David Duncan tia 700 so good iti. Akwesimoto wahami ampa season is as anje ena ye pam David Duncan. Etia no mo twero wo mse oye Kotoko player untimi mo area gala ne sa ne manema no. Na no kura bi wi o mo ho bo. but gala bi won a say said you must publicize it na no den tiasa o ye careful kakra na fe say ya started preseason now my now bogala and the anu ohye pa miama wuchi Elvis Kyei Baffour awuchi Abu Highlanders Park says ani fro AstroTurf Abu Highlanders Park Abrante did Elvis Kyei Baffour ebo edema Kotokoli Eza ne Kotoko ne she Kotoko na I never saw so just know some Kotoko na Kotokoli and this is the evidence mfa videos and na bebre obo wi ana kofo chia no afei ene yi Kotokoli for no afrim na matese Elvis Kyei Baffour ode ma Inusah so ebo edema the Hausa community no omu just na fe pa o eti Hausa any busa for no ebo 1-1 intertribal football tournament and a game no yeyi Inusah Adams as the most valuable player of the match the same Hausa for the free entine and omo finals of that competition na matese emranje omo free mu wiye no omo ko campu ema Stanley Menzo epam omo eti Elvis Kyei Baffour oni apprentice the thing at the Inusah Adams after omo ko ball intertribal tournament ro Abu Highlanders Park no so wiye no omo team si free mu no time no omo team free na ko started prison no omo mai yes omo ko camp ema Kotoko sporting director epam omo eno ka che omo say one team no wanya medicals going to be started prison munya medicals ni bi to the omo nko no omo nko administrative manager si ebuku mo omo nko medicals ni wi a na fe wonum aba for Emmanuel antwide o mai kra muntie nkomo ni ye antwide mai kra but these players wonum ekopie mu e o campo ema they were sacked Inusah Adams and a branch the thing at the Elvis Kyei Baffour for Ima control pan of Fata Emmanuel antwide hey ball Fata no he picture ya also was a pejarity all control was a pejarity baby on the board but on my intention yes expectation emranche ebeba nyame adoma on the 6th of August Kotoko team no ebe free Kumasi likely destination Accra so mo free Kumasi konkran kwakoye mo preseason mo koto so wa de tie ne say play bia wan kosa ye kono wan ko bibia mpacho eno ano no nya dia be part of Kotoko team no for the 2026-2027 football season. So 4 players and MI Donzo aba emrante mienu Inusah ane Awuchi Echo camp they were told to go back. Ahidi Emmanuel Ntwide o my cry. This is what we know. Now and Komodie Stanley Menzo ane opinion did Eric Tinkler. Kabiru Tinkler say players now who their level no for moon. Eric Tinkler Asante Kotoko head coach no. Waka chene director of football say kakra no de na nie hu no for a week almost as a Monday enra no mko pie mu o Ken US mko 10 kilometers no. O se de wa hu ne de if it's anything to go by boys in level no bebre level no form and they will need proper reinforcement obehia say ombenya proper reinforcement patromunte ni yepa coach no aka kire director of football ne say one emrante videos ni bi o hwe ye no any omuye training no so de wahu no Kotoko ni bresa, they don't have time. In fact, they've charged him with the responsibility of the league. The board chairman, as executive chairman of the club, I catch a coach, he said, the perfect ones about season, if you know what league, you know. And one also catch your opinion, say, son and community, they are. And the Mrantiano Elavono, our form. Mrantiano, one Elavono, our form at the mano. Etiabaya. Wamu empire top quality players and famano. In fact, top quality players in Ghana. He is demanding from outside of Ghana. Now, if Omufam pursue the agenda of winning the league, I know I diamati at the free coach, you know, and Komodia on the sporting director, no, and so Aquacodi. But you munted yepa. Coach, na sa catcher sporting director and Kabiru on pay trials. We have a song what they are trials. Coach is on pass adian. But you munted you. Now for me, coach. Na umame a tag as a mini liga. Now who got a mini trials? There be. The head coach of Asante Kotoko, I can in plain language, at the actual director of football, say Osrena on pair trials Simbia or per se straight away. Emrancheno eba na onum eba bebo inti omunko transfer market so enunti ena mranche be yensia bia wonum eba ye ebegu training grounds on coach no aka chom so momunko mranche nsia coach ne ka chom so momunko 2 more players be abakampo me yen wadwuma ade amount 2 more players aba. But Eric Tinkler is not a fan of Yanshaw by trials, by a training observation. Brania monitor and fan coach and a fan of that. Now, Jesus Kotoko, I enough scouting, a report. Now, report, this is Pepe a good at Mungo Tomreme. And Yafena, Mania Bramia preseason. Now, me say, we are dear, we in America 2 years or some Pesadian. It way. Kakra yensa atoso edia free Asante Kotoko wonum etrania eguso ekoso no Kotoko camp the yatie ne say coach na express dissatisfaction with the level of most of the players and enyanwa momi anya size we last season na Kotoko first choice goalkeeper Kamara Unio. Last season, Kotoko first choice right back. Na ye Lordamwa Unio Wepra. Left back the Oho. Kotoko first 3 central defensive options, no. Omumi and Senyo, Ablo, Samba, Ansu. Tienio 3 way na ye omwa. Mienu Bonaba the next option church. Omu Yanio. Etulia Yankai. The goalkeeper is not there. Right back injured, left back present, 2 central backs absent. It's out of the back 5 plus goalkeeper count 4, back 4 no. Who the goalkeeper count 5? Me pacho bako penaka, which is Patrick Asiedu. Who come fin fiwa? And what the complaints in the mind? On the wings, Pitami Dwakano a starter at the Makotoko. Abetamwa a starter at the Makotoko. A 2 for Peter Albert. Now before Samba Ablanasa Ansu. Now for goalkeeper now. In fact, Kotoko starting 11 last season, about 5 of them. Anyhow, Omunya Kotoko players. It is a coach, a success quality no for man. Onuna dia no so. They are all trying to answer them who are. Me assure only coach and Kontokwa. Coach in I express it at the training director of football say opinion the level is too low. So let's do things fast because on person de omukra be preseason awie na de ombe preseason awie na Kotoko eja omukwan onya mfaso bia mfa free players na so enti the earlier the better we take decisions on the players and now say we do the additions. In fact esa Kotoko ya additions say see ade e kan mo ni we 8 to 9 players any ho 8 to 9 players. Goalkeeper Kamara ni ho, Samba ni ho, Ablo ni ho, Ansu ni ho, Lodamo ni ho, Shaibu Abubakar ni ho. 6 nkwa we kire ono no. Oba mfimfi wa Baba ya eni ho 7. Emmanuel Ntwi na ma ye 8. Wings no so no. Pitamido akwani ho 9. Abatamu a MI 10 no no. Enti we kra de we players a say omuni ho. Those who are not even there, you are counting up to 10. And so Kotoko will have to do replacement. Bianca Kotoko, and replaces our players 10 years. Ebiaka coach in Inusah quality in our form. But that is the truth of the matter, that the coach has expressed resentment on the quality of players available to him. He feels that kakra mo ya no mo nchedan ko ball work bibribi sa. But a nyoma ever form. Last season, a branch editing Ade Muhammad Kamara equipped 12 clean sheets in the Ghana Premier League. Because first choice goalkeeper last season, 12 clean sheets. Last season, na Pitami Duakwa involved in 11 goals. Or share 7 and will provide a 4 or share 4 and will have 7 assists. 11 goals involvement. Samba was involved in 6 goals. Mokai penalty ban wa chenu abo. Kotoko ne media ma miru mfidas Africa na Lordamo apeja man finish here no. I take a 2-2. Abetamu was 5 last season. Na baba ya involved in a goal and an assist. If all these players are not there, you need to replace them. But replacement na emaye. Etinanu ni ebusasa Kotoko. Dientia omunye purchases no. Omo se sie bia beja bi kwan. Unyanya omo kwan. Ba se bi moko. Samba ne Ablo ne Ansu di omu ni o Kamara ni o. Pitami do akwa ni o. Abetamu ni o. Saudi abetamu aba they will stop talking about the number 9 job no. Sanya Saudi we quality every team num ekọ. And coach na shase esu say quality na at his disposal. Quality na odiomo ya adwuma no. Eti omo schedule 2 friendly games, 2 low profile games. Munte biye. Kotoko ebebo 2 low profile games before a team no on the seas ebe free Kumase akopiem awon kran. Ana Cape Coast takrade ombeko a coastal area na me ka jam Kotoko beko a coastal area. But before Kotoko will move to the coastal area, no, they will play 2 training games. About 2 games are anonya shibebebe. Emu America kra. Na omobo sa 2 games na. Na coach did the final assessment. And no crani the final assessment of the current players. One position coach didn't complain bebebe. I am middle. Because offer defenders now. Solomon Kwakusa defensive midfielders. Solomon Kwakusa Abba. A branch of the team at the Prince Badu a double L. Kotoko Esanso Ewo said Kojo near him to a pranum training Kojo Ayebi. It's defensive method on coach any problem. Or per central method abako, or per creative method abako, where a positions are open. So far, the coach has communicated in clear, unambiguous language. He is not too happy with the quality at his disposal as we speak. Omo Moses here Nani and Shada and Jehosa. And I know the coach, you know, and so Eddie Atuja, Yede and 17, Eddie Emma Yen. I have fun. But UPM Awo and Kobodia, a course so any coach ne Stanley so afi omadi nkomo about the backroom staff no omadi nkomo about the backroom staff and before Kotoko be free Kumase akwako PM ewo the next phase of the preseason no one ebe kasa about assistant coaches no team manager no Gordon Blood ba as assistant coach or ba as team manager na emu de hia ni nyina nkomodi a Menzo director of football and head coach omo adia ombaba to a conclusion na yenso yehu said ye ensem no ebesi akọ Kumasi Asante Kotoko exclusives na ena ikukuram ayede ema